I recently stayed at the Hyatt Centric The Liberties in Dublin, Ireland, and here's what I thought about it. Hi, I'm Erin from Flying Off the Bookshelf, and I write all about travel, books, and Disney. So if you like any of those things, be sure to hit subscribe so you are here for all my videos. And I will also put a link in the description of this video to my full blog post review of this hotel if you want to read even more. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you why I chose the Hyatt Centric The Liberties. I am a loyal Hyatt fan, and I had points where I could use to get a hotel room in Dublin. Dublin is a notoriously expensive city when it comes to hotels, so I was very thankful to be able to use points for a free stay. That being said, this hotel can be pretty reasonably priced compared to some of the other Dublin hotels. Let's talk about location, because location is always so important when you're choosing a hotel in a city. I actually really liked the location here. It's right next to St. Patrick's Cathedral, so it is a little further away from your more tourist-centric areas like Temple Bar and Trinity College. However, it's still close enough that you can walk there or take the bus. I also appreciated that it was a little bit more further removed from those tourist areas. I had a friend who was staying at a hotel in Temple Bar, and she said it was a bad sign when her room came with earplugs. But this hotel is in a nice, quiet area. There are some restaurants around. St. Patrick's is right there for something to do. So I thought the location was really great. It's also really easy to get to and from the airport from here. I took the Dublin Express bus, and it dropped me off a block from the hotel, and then I walked a block from the hotel to get back on the Dublin Express to go back to the airport after my stay was over. It was so easy. Okay, let's talk about the hotel itself. First of all, the vibes, I love it. It's kind of like a more colorful, modernized pub. I feel like it feels very Irish, but also very updated. You've got colorful furniture, kind of some lighter wood, and everyone at the counter for check-in was so friendly. I had to go ask multiple questions a couple times about various things, and everyone was so helpful and kind, and I thought the service was great here. Let's talk about the rooms now. I actually stayed in two different rooms. I stayed in a suite for the first part of my trip, and then when I returned to the hotel after going elsewhere in Ireland, I stayed in a regular room. I thought both rooms were great, so I really liked both rooms. The suite was very spacious, and I thought even this regular standard room was a pretty big room for a European city. So really no complaints about the rooms. Let's talk about food and beverage. So the main restaurant here is the Liberties Gate restaurant. I had breakfast there each morning, and I thought it was really good. I did not have dinner here, however, the menu looks really, really good, so I would definitely try it if I were to stay at this hotel again. There's also the Liberties Gate bar where you can get drinks, and they have a bar food menu. The bar food menu is also what you will use for room service. I did order room service one night and ordered the open face steak sandwich, and I'm gonna be honest, it was not good at all. So food at the bar may be hit or miss, but it is there if you need it. This isn't really a high amenities hotel. There is a fitness center, there are conference spaces, but there's not really like an outdoor area that you would go to. There's not a pool. But that's fine, honestly, for me in a city like Dublin, because I'm going to be spending most of my time out and about in the city trying to see all the different sites, because there really is so much to do in Dublin. So the lack of amenities didn't really bother me. So overall review of the hotel, I thought it was fantastic. I would 100% stay here again. Yes, it's a little bit more out of the way than some of the other hotels, but I think that makes it slightly more reasonably priced and lets you be in a quieter, more peaceful area of Dublin. If you're looking for more things to do in Ireland, I will put in the description of this video some of my blog posts about things to do in Dublin, walking tours I took, and things like that. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like, and please hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I'm really excited about some of the videos that are coming up, and I will see you next time.